Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using React.js and I hope you enjoy that all projects. Previously on we have done many of the projects using React 18 and I hope you are enjoying that videos which we have uploaded. So today also I'll be just doing a video using React 18 and today we are also working with a different tag using React 18 and I hope you'll be understanding today's video as well. So today video will be really helpful and I hope you'll be enjoying today's video. So today I will be basically telling you that how we can use body tag in React 18. You all know that we use body tag in HTML languages and CSS languages, but we have not used this body tag using React.js or React 18 language. We can use it to build many of the projects and I will be telling you how we can use this body tag to build many projects in React 18. So I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying this video as well. So if you have understand, enjoy this, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well so you can just see more all the coming up videos, because I'll be uploading more videos like that in future and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying that video. So just remember to check that out, that things, because that will giving you well moving forward, and I hope you are enjoying all the big videos as well which I am uploading, because that are really helpful for you. I am building projects using React, React.js, Node.js, Next.js 13 and plus Next.js languages, and I hope you are enjoying that. Previously on I've also uploaded the tutorial using Next.js 13 plus Next.js. You can also check that out in 2 different videos. I've uploaded that tutorial because that will also giving you help. So just now we'll be starting with our video and basically we'll be seeing that how we can just build this project start to end here and what things we'll be including in this amazing React 18 project from start to end. So just like I've telling you, we'll be working on React 18, and basically in this video I will be telling you how you can use body tag using React 18. So now we'll be starting with our video and basically we'll be seeing that what is body tag and how we can use this project of body tag, you can say, and how you can work with this body tag here. So now we'll be starting with that. So for working with this body tag here, you have to open your VS Code text editor. So I will be now opening my VS Code, and like you all know that in the first React 18 video I've just created one folder with the name of app1. So I'll be opening that folder and I've created that folder in local disk E. So I will be opening this and then I will be now say I opening my folder. You can see here it is app1. I'll be pressing select folder to open this. Now our folder has been opened. You can see we are having all these main file, but before that we have to run it by writing the command npm start, which is the command to run your React or React 18 app. So it will be now starting our development server on our default browser, which should be Microsoft Edge, I think, or you can say many other there are browser as well. So we'll be working on these both file, which is called app.js and app.css. I'll be dragging dropping this app.css file from here. You can see we are getting all these both files. So I'll be raising all the codes from here, because in the previous video we have learned about different things, and in that video we have learned about programmatic redirect. So here that are the codes of that video, but we will be not needing these all codes in this video. So I will be raising that all, saving it from here. Now it will be taking some time to run your React 18 app, so you have to wait a while. You can see now it will be giving the command of starting development server here, and then it will be starting our development server on our default Microsoft Edge browser. You can see now it is taking loading, and then we'll be seeing the command of compile successfully here. So we have to do it side by side. Then here you have to now make this coding side bigger, like you all know that. So I'll be making this coding side bigger, save this as well. So you can see now we are getting this command. So now we'll be just getting here compiled successfully, means that it is working now. You can see now we are getting compiled successfully, means that it is working perfectly and not having any errors. So we have to change the title as well, because in this video we are learning about body tag. So I will be now basically writing here body tag in this title here. So I will be writing here body tag. Save it. You can see now the title has been changed to body tag. So I'll be moving to this main file, and basically I'll be telling you that how you can use body tag. You can use body tag to style your text. You can also use body tag to give class name. You can also use body tag to write things in that, like if you want to write heading or if you want to write paragraph in that, you can use body tag to do that all stuff. So I will be writing here body. You can see this is the body tag which we use here, and in this body tag you can just give many of the tags here, like you can write here heading. If I write here heading 1, you can see in body tag you can also write headings. You can see this in body tag. You can also do different things, like you can style your text in body tag, like you can write here style, then you can write here p-1, save it. You can see now when you give padding 1, so your text has been gone. You can also give colors to your text here by using this. So you can just give the color of red here, save. So you can just give different colors using this body tag. You can see how good looking is this body tag here. You can also use this body tag to give class name as well. Like if I give class name of heading, so here I will be taking first letter capital. So you can see now I've given the class name of heading and body tag. Now if I want to style it, so here I will be writing, we were having the you can say we are having the class name of heading in the body class name. So if you want to style, you can just give it the color, which should be crimson. You can give any color here. You can see now it is changing the color, means that our class is working here. So like this you can use body tag. There are many of other things in which you can use your body tags here. You can also use body tag to create different objects here. Like if you want to create button, you can use this body tag here. So if I write button, and in button I will be writing here body. So here I will be writing, or you can say read more, I will be writing. Save. You can see now you can use this button, this body tag to just give to create buttons objects as well. You can also give the class name here into your body tag, like I will be giving it the class name of btn. Then you have to save it, move to app.css, and then you have to just change this to btn. Save. So here you have to just save it. It is not changing because we have written color. If you write background color, so I think that then it will be changing. Then you have to save it. So you can see now the background color has been changing, means that now our btn is working. So like this you can work with this. You can also style your buttons, but in the previous videos I've basically telling you that how you can style. Just I want to show you that this class name is working or not. So it is working, we have just checked that. You can also use this body tags in different things as well. If you want to just define at the back end, so you can just use this body tag here as well. So you can also use body tag to give the title to your object here, like this is title. If I write save, so after saving you can see you will be not getting this title because we are already getting the title on this file here. So because of that you don't have to give title again. So like this you can use these body tags here. And in this body tag basically you can also give many of the border effects here. Like if you write border is equals to 2, so you can just create. And if you want to create table in this body tag, you can create here. Like if I write here table tag, in table if I write here tr, and here if I write th, in th I will be writing home. You can say here not home. Name if I write, and after writing this name you have to just write here th again, then write here name, and then write class. Like this you can see now we are writing this. Then samely you can also write here section, like these all stuff. Then save it. You can see again we are getting this. Then you can use td tag here. So here if I use this td tag, then you can just give styles in this td tag as well, like this. So here I will be writing name. Save this. You can see now you can just use this to give the buttons effect. You can also give border here to your table. Like if I write border 2, you can see you are getting your border as well here. Here in the th you can also write, like here if you want to write tr, so in tr you can just give it the name here. So if I write here like my name, student name, here I will be writing my name. Save it. You can see we are getting the student name. Like this you have to copy and paste it 3 times. Save it. You can see we are getting in the name these all stuff. Now you can also create another td tag like this, and after creating just you have to paste it. Paste, save. You can see now we are getting in the class, and like this you have to just copy this. But here for doing this you have to just give space here by pressing tab, then copy this tag, and then you have to just do one thing. Here I will be now pasting it. Save. So you can see now we are just getting this. After getting these all stuff, we are getting the names here. So you can change the name as well. Like I will be writing here Bilal, like I am just writing any random name you can write. And then you can just give the class here, like I will be writing here class 8, or you can say metric. Then I will be just writing here 9, like this. And then here you can just give it the 8. So here like this you can give it 8. Then you can just move here again, and in section you can write here a, and then I will be just now writing here c, then write here b, and after writing here I will be just writing here a. So here I will be now writing. Save it. You can see now we are just getting all this stuff. If I show you, you can see this table is now working, and we have created this table using this body tag. So you can see that how you can use this body tag. You can use this body tag to create tables. You can use this body tag to create buttons and many objects here. But I've telling you basically how you can just use this body tag to create a table. So I hope you understand this video, and you have understand that how we can just create a table using this amazing body tag. And if you have enjoyed this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn about these things. And I hope you'll be enjoying my all the future videos as well, which I'll be uploading, because that will also giving you help moving forward. And remember to check that videos out, because that are really helpful for a beginner if they want to learn that things from start to end. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials using React 18. So for today, goodbye.